Good morning student. The previous videos lesson you have discussed about basic of AC circuits. We know that AC with resistance, inductor, capacitor with RLC series in circuits, resonance series of RLC circuit and Q factor etc. It is not enough of AC circuit. As a very important topic, today we are going to discuss about mathematical expressions of power in AC circuits. Power in AC circuit. Some subdivisions. Introduction of power in AC circuit. Wattless current, power factor, advantages and disadvantages of AC over DC. What is the power of circuit? The power of circuit is defined as the rate of consumption of electric energy in that circuit. This is a DC circuit. P is equal to VI, that is constant values. Now AC circuit. And AC circuit, the voltage and current varying continuously with time. Let us first calculate the power at the instance of and then it is the average over the complete the one full cycle. The AC alternating voltage and alternating current in the series RLC circuit at an instance are given by the produce of voltage V is equal keyword V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Current I is equal Im sin omega t plus phi. Here phi is equal to space angle between voltage and current. Instantaneous power P is equal V into I. The values of V, the values of I, now use substitution. P is equal to voltage values, power, current values. Voltage Vm sin omega t, Im sin omega t plus phi. Now Im come to the front side. Vm Im sin omega t plus phi. This is a term of a sin A plus B. This is a now here keyword sin formula. Sin A plus B is equal sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin omega t plus phi value substitution. Vm Im sin omega t cos phi plus cos omega t sin pi. Now Vm Im constants value sin omega t inside of the bracket. Sin omega into sin omega square sin squared omega t cos phi plus sin omega t cos omega t sin phi. Vm Im cos phi sin square omega t. This sin omega t cos omega t sin phi, this is equation number 2. This is the power. Here our average power P of sin squared omega over a cycle, full cycle is half. This is considered half. The sin omega t cos omega t is equal to 0. This is a term usually using this term mathematical derivation formula. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 come to the denominator, sin 2a divided by 2 is equal to sin a cos a. This is a term you see changes. Now sin square omega t substitutions value is equal to half. Here sin omega t cos omega t is 0. The average power over a cycle P is equal Vm Im cos sin square omega t values of half. This term is a 0. Okay, now here write this is a Vm Im cos phi half come to the 2. Vm Im cos phi divided by 2. 2 now I calculate the 2 Vm Im, the 2 is equal to root 2 dot root 2 into cos phi. I want this term. This term is a consider RMS values. Vm divided by root 2 dot Im divided by root 2 into cos phi. This is a term consider Vrms. This term is a consider Irms cos phi. Cos phi is equal to power factor. Vrms Irms upon power. This is a average power is equal to the true power of a circuit. Power of a circuit. Some special cases of power in a circuit. The first case is for a purely resistive circuit. The AC circuit connecting with a resistive circuit resistance. The circuit, the space angle between voltage and current is 0. Cos phi is equal to 1. The power average power is equal to Vrms Irms. First cases. The second case is for a purely inductive or capacitive of the AC circuit. The space angle is plus or minus pi by 2 or cos plus or minus pi by 2. The values of pi by 2 is equal to 90 equal. that is equal to 0. Average power is equal to 0. The third special case is for a series of RLC circuit, the space angle phi is equal to tan inverse of XL minus XC divided by R. This is a term of inductance C minus of capacitance C divided by resistance. The power average is equal to Vrms Irms dot cos phi. The fourth condition for this series of RLC circuit are resonance. The space angle is 0. That is cos phi is equal to 1. The resonance of XL that is equal to XC equal. Now the average power is equal to Vrms dot Irms. Next topic, wattless current. What is a watt? Watt means unit of power. Less means invisible. Wattless current. Consider an AC circuit in resistor, inductor, capacitor, which there is a phase angle of phi between current and voltage and current. The power P is equal to V into I in DC circuit. AC circuit, power P is equal to Vrms and Irms. Now, the voltage is assumed to be a leading the current by phi as shown the phasor diagram. Is a leading of the, this is a consider the voltage leading of the current. Now, Irms is resolved into two perpendicular components, namely Irms cos phi along Vrms and Irms sin phi perpendicular to a Vrms. See, this is a Irms sin phi, this is a Vrms, consider Irms cos phi. Now, this is a compound of Irms cos phi, which is a space with a voltage is called active component. The power consumed, this is current P is equal to Vrms Irms cos phi. So, that is also known as watt-full current. Another component Irms sin phi, which has phase angle phi by 2 with a voltage is called a reactive compound. Irms sin is a reactive compound. Irms cos phi is equal to active compound. Here this is a power consumed equal to 0. So that is also known as wattless current. Reactive compound means wattless current. Active compound means what current? What full current? Full current, less current. Next, power factor. What is the power factors? The power factors means the power factor of a circuit is defined in one of the following ways. The first way power factor is equal to cos phi. Cos phi means cos 90. That is equal to cosine of angle of lead or lag. The second one way power factor R by Z or resistance divided by impedance C. The third way power factor is equal voltage current cos phi divided by voltage current. This voltage current cos phi means true power. This is a voltage current is equal apparent power. This is some example for power factors. The first one of the example power factor is equal cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is equal to 1 for a pure resistive circuit because phase angle phi between voltage and current is equal to 0. The power factor that is equal cos plus or minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 plus 90 minus 90 that is equal to 0. For a pure inductive or capacitive circuit, the phase angle between voltage and current is plus or minus pi by 2. The third power factor, the power factor lies between 0 and 1. For a circuit having resistance, inductor, capacitor in varying the proportion. This is a 3 example of the power factor. The finally power of AC circuit, advantages and disadvantages of AC over DC. Here, 3 advantages, 2 disadvantages. What is the advantages? First, advantages. There are many advantages and disadvantages system of DC and AC. The first advantages, the generation of AC is cheaper than that is a DC. The second one, when AC is supplied at a higher voltage, the transmission losses are small compared to the DC transmissions. Third advantage is AC can easily converted into DC with the help of a rectifier. Disadvantages. The alternating voltage cannot be used for certain application. Example, charging of batteries, for electroflating, electric tracing, etc. The second disadvantage is at high voltage it is more dangerous to work with the AC than DC. Thank you.